I know that I really need new brakes, but the last time I got a brake job, it cost me like over $250, and I just really don't feel up to that. But I am curious as to how much my next paycheck is going to be. I'm curious as to how long we're gonna have money, because everything is like so up in the air right now. Oh shit. Don't swerve. That was a dumb request. I'm always going to swerve. The correct request would have been don't crash. Don't crash while you swerve, Amy. I have this flashlight on my phone. Look. Don't be scared of the light. It's not the police. It's not the police. Okay? This is my flip phone. Isn't that cool that I still have a flip phone? Why do I still have a flip phone? You see what's going on in Australia?